I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, June 3rd, 2025. One person has been arrested and a list of charges await a second person after a nearly 2-month-long investigation into a break-in and theft in Central Frontenac Township on Sunday, April 6th. Stolen items included an excavator. It was recovered the next day, but was missing a large piece used for digging, which was later located being sold on an online marketplace. The Community Street Crime Unit executed a search warrant on Friday, May 30th, where officers seized multiple firearms, at least one of which was loaded, and recovered the stolen property. 54-year-old Travis Perry of Central Frontenac Township was arrested and charged. As with the second person who fled on foot, police said that the individual is 35 years old, however, their identity is not known. Starting on Tuesday, July 1st, 2025, the city will begin the transition to an automated cart-based waste collection system. Carts for garbage and organics are being distributed to residences in select areas in North, East, and West Kingston over the next few weeks. Residents are encouraged to check if their address is part of the initial transition on the city website. Just enter your street address within the map for results. Shortly before 4:30 p.m. on Thursday, May 29th, OPP officers with the Frontenac detachment responded to a single vehicle collision on Keeley Road. A vehicle had left the road but remained upright, and Frontenac paramedics attended the scene, but the driver refused any medical treatment. The driver was arrested and transported to the detachment for further testing for impairment. 24-year-old Amy Hendrick of South Frontenac Township was arrested and charged. The province recently introduced 2 omnibus laws known as Bill 5 and Bill 17 to amend or replace a raft of existing legislation such as the Planning Act, Mining Act, Heritage Act, Electricity Act, and the Endangered Species Act. Councillors have already taken a strong stand against Bill 5, the Protect Ontario by Unleashing Our Economy Act, because they said it would, among other things, weaken Ontario's laws around protecting endangered species. The Inclusive Play Project, in partnership with the City of Kingston and various Rotary clubs in the region, has announced the second annual Inclusive Fun Fair at Shannon Park on Saturday, June 7, 2025. Families can enjoy live music, a barbecue, an interactive kids zone, an artist and vendor market, and so much more, all in the spirit of community and inclusion. Smiles and rainbows brought cheer to the damp, chilly weather when Greater Napanee officially opened Pride Month celebrations in the region. On Saturday, May 31st, the 4th annual Pride celebration began on the stage under the Conservation Park Pavilion. The Greater Napanee Pride Committee and a handful of dignitaries opened the day by sharing remarks with an energetic audience. For more on these stories and other local news, visit Kingstonist.com. Use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.